Meaning of finings.
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 Finings. Finings refer to substances that are added to liquids, such as beer or wine, to clarify them by removing impurities and sediments. The fining agents work by reacting with the suspended particles in the liquid and causing them to coagulate, making it easier to remove them through filtration or settling. Finings can be made from a variety of materials, including animal proteins like fish bladder or gelatin, as well as synthetic substitutes. The use of finings can help improve the flavor, appearance, and stability of the finished product, resulting in a clearer, more consistent final product.